We in Estonia know that digitalization can solve real-life problems. One of the biggest problems of our times, of course, is climate change. And every fifth kilogram of CO2 emissions comes from road transport. Now, of course, electric cars will solve a big part of that problem, but congestions and lack of parking spaces in urban environment will still be there. Our solution at Auve Tech is to provide autonomous last mile for extension of public transport and fundamentally change the way people commute in urban environment. It doesn't have to be this way that the only transportation from your home to your work or from your home to your kid's school is your personal car. Good quality public transport plus autonomous last mile is the way people will move already soon, because this is the sustainable way and this is what technology enables us to do. One of the Auve Tech last mile autonomous vehicles is parked just in front of Tallinn Digital Summit venue. Come and have a look. This is how the urban commuting of the future will look like. Come and join us at Tallinn Digital Summit Expo and we will tell more how the transport of the future will look like.